Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Byte Big Data. We provide excellent online training for Big Data Hadoop, Google Cloud Platform, machine learning using R. So today we are going to talk about the benefits to join Byte Big Data. The first benefit is training by industry experts. Yes, we have a team of industry experts and they have more than 18 years of experience in IT industry. Since 7 years we are working on a big data technology. So whatever knowledge which we'll share during training, that will be practical knowledge. How to work on projects, how to solve any kind of error or issue while creating clusters on big data technology. So all these things will be a practical thing. There is nothing bookish knowledge. There is nothing we are going through some of the videos or we are training you. Nothing like that. Overall training will be given by the training experts. They are Hortonworks and the Cloudera certified experts, those who are going to help you out. Apart from that, our training assured 100% guaranteed Hortonworks certification clearance. This is a professional certification and there is a huge demand of this certification in the IT industry. Once you clear this certification, you will become a certified professional. So there are several companies, those who require certified professional, they can hire you. They may hire you because of this certification. So once you complete our big data training, you can apply for this Hortonworks certification exam. And our training will help you out to clear this certification, which will help you to get higher salary package in companies. So there are professionals, there are freshers, they both may apply for this certification and get an advantage of this Hortonworks certification. After this certification, this is not like that once you make the payment and you have gone through the training, after that we are not going to help you out. We provide support after completion of the training. Means once you completed big data training and you have cleared Hortonworks certification, suppose you got a job and you started working for a big data technology as a big data professional, and while working on a project you stuck somewhere, how will you get the help? What you need to do, you just need to take a screenshot of error or whatever query you have or an issue which you are facing while performing big data task. So you can take that screenshot or the query, you can just text us on my WhatsApp. We'll look for it and we'll provide you the support. Apart from that, we also have a community of big data professionals. So far we have trained more than 600 people for big data technology, and most of them have got a job and started working as a big data professional. So we have created WhatsApp group on WhatsApp for big data professional. So what you can do, I will add you in the community, and once whenever you face some error or issue, you can just place your query or share your query in the group, WhatsApp group. So when you will definitely get a frequent response from them, and we'll definitely provide you the response and we can resolve your issue. So you can be a part of this training program and you can become certified professional for big data technology, and you can get higher salary package also. So to become a part of this training program, you can contact me on my contact number 8602100200. Another number is 7038781048. You can email me at my email address bytebigdata@gmail.com. Thank you so much.